That's my girl, Rosie. That's my girl. Rosie, you big lug. You big mush. You big mush. Oh my God. Rosie, Rosie, look. Ready? Ready? Go get it. No? All right, this one? Get it, Rosie. Get it, Rosie. Get it. Get it. Good girl.
Yeah, she knows what she likes.
She's so strong.
She is strong.
Oh.
Well, that's what she likes. Be careful.
You get lovins? Are you giving Carol lovins? That's the best. That is the best. Oh, she's the best. I hope you're all watching. Are you jealous? You know what they said? I noticed that nobody else was invited. I said, nope. Nope. We wanted our Rosie time. I said, you can set up your own appointments.
Look at her. She doesn't know what to do with all the
She's so
new ones.
amazing.
She says, normally my mommy's mean and makes me have one at a time.
Look, she doesn't know who to choose.
Which one to pick.
Which one do you want, Rosie? Get the, where's the other one?
That's her.
That's her
my
favorite?
friend brought that yesterday for her. She came in from Texas and brought her the chicken. No, she's not gonna like.
No, she likes the.
She loves the hedgies.
So happy, Anna. She's so happy.
She's beyond a blessing.
Beyond. It's like she has a perfect heart on her side.
She's unbelievable.
She looks so magnificent.
For us.
Rosie.
This is her house.
She looks amazing.
Her yard.
She
Not
right.
mine,
She's
Daddy.
no. You're just staying here.
She's solid.
Solid.
I think she's perfect weight. You know, we put some weight on her so you don't see
Yeah.
the ribs.
And
but
she's super active, right?
Yeah.
She's always going.
Go, she. There you go. You got the best thing.
I got the best view, Rosie.
I'm gonna get it.
We got the best view. Hi, baby girl. Go get Carol. Go get Carol. Oh, it's no greater feeling.
Catch.
No greater feeling.
Catch.
Guys, this is Amy with 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida, and Carol. We just decided actually last week, we were on our little road trip to deliver Blackie, the dog we rescued with Prince, who was blind and deaf, and a little senior that we rescued on a property that was living outside. And I had posted on my personal Facebook page about our little pit stop, and Anna came on and what is this?
That's your menu.
Oh my
Rosie
God.
menu.
Are you serious? All right, I'm going to get to that in a second. I can't even. So I had posted on my personal page about our little pit stop, and Rosie here is our 100 Plus rescue that we took in. How long have you had her now, Anna?
7 months.
7 months. When we rescued Rosie, we received an urgent plea from our friend Jamie, who was working with the family because they were not caring for Rosie. She was living outside her entire life. She was, and you can see, I mean, she is magnificent right now, but she was very thin. She was sunburned. She had very bad skin condition from
Bad
ear infections.
She had a bad UTI.
Bad UTI. What else? Anything else you could have had going on, Rosie? So that's how she lived her life. And we agreed to take her into our organization. And we received this wonderful, wonderful email from Anna and her husband. Came to meet, and the rest is history. So, Rosie, I'm so jealous. I always am the one taking the videos, and I never get that. I'm going to shut this off. So, Anna, Rosie's mom had asked me what I eat, and I said, don't bother. Don't bother. A bottle of wine and a salad. We'll be fine. We just want to hang with Rosie. So she brings me out this menu. Apparently, Rosie has been extremely busy this morning. So we have menu for Rosie's lunch with Miss Carol and Miss Amy. We have white wine Chardonnay, Diet Coke, sharp cheddar cheese, and Jack cheese. with 3 types of crackers, chips and salsa, fresh mozzarella with basil tomato sprinkled with creamy balsamic, oh my God, Carol, creamy balsamic dressing. I'm so glad we didn't stop and get any breakfast.
She's finished?
Vegan vegetable soup, barley mushroom soup, hot fresh Italian bread, spinach or Italian salad with choice of tomatoes, onions, cucumbers and mushrooms, choice of dressing, creamy balsamic or honey mustard. And for dessert we have strawberry shortcake type cake with whipped topping and white chocolate. Rosie! You've been so busy this morning. Rosie, come here. Come here, Rosie. Hi, Mama. Hi. Here. Hi, Mama. Give me love it. Give me. Kitty. It's mine. It's all mine. It's all mine. It's mine. I love you. I love you. Rosie, get me the baby. Come on. Come on, Rosie. Come on. Let go. We haven't mastered that yet.
Forget about it. Forget about it.
No, Rosie. When she's excited, she's not going to do it for me.
Let go. She is so strong. All right, Rosie.
Rosie wins.
And she never had her own toy, so she's a bit stingy.
Sit. Ready? Get Rosie. No greater way to spend a happy Saturday with our girl Rosie. Love you, Mommy. You have so much energy. You have so much energy, you big mush. You big mush. Love you. Give me it. She's so tired with the toys.
Look at Hannah.
I can't. Is it lunchtime, Rosie? Are you hungry, Rosie? All right, guys, I just wanted to share our awesome visit we're going to have with Rosie and Mommy Anna.
Sit.
She's sitting already.
Oh.
Lay. Down.
There you go.
Good girl.
Mommy.
Good girl. You stay.
I'm not a good disciplinarian.
Stay. Yeah, neither am I. Good girl. Very good. I'm proud.
Yay, Rosie! Yay, Rosie! You have beds everywhere. You're so spoiled, Mommy, as you should be. You're so spoiled. Oh,
Wow, this is amazing.
This is her whole, look at
Jackpot.
this. Jackpot! 7 months later. 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. Everybody enjoy your Saturday. I know we are. This is Amy and Carol with 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. Miss Anna, thank you for having us.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Rosie, let's enjoy our visit.